So one thing that Samsung really pushed about the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is the brand new body composition feature. A feature that a lot of people, okay maybe a few people, okay maybe like 1 or 2 people were really looking forward to. Is it any good and who would care? Well, let's give it a go, shall we, and see. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm actually very curious to see how it works, and it needs me to enter my PIN, of course it does. If you've missed any of my previous videos on this, you know how big a pain it is. Anyway, let's try this out. Okay, select gender, male. Select height. Okay, this is where I go to embarrass myself. So I have to keep on scrolling down and down and down, and there we go. Yep, I'm only 165. Don't ask me how much that is in Imperial, because I have no idea. Down and down and down and down and down, and there we go. Here's one thing I've kind of always made me chuckle a bit about this watch, is that they trust you so little to use all the data it gives you wisely. They have constantly like reminders telling you not to take this data seriously. But then like, why even include it then? I really don't understand the logic there. And now, there it goes. Samsung's reading my entire body. Okay, that was actually fast. Skeletal muscle 23 kilograms, that's interesting. Fat mass 5 kilograms. Body fat is 11.3%. BMI, what? How on earth did it calculate to have a BMI of 23.9? That is literally incorrect. My BMI should be close to like, I don't know, 16, 17? Oh, okay, never mind. I literally just reset the watch and it updated, so never mind. Yeah, 17. Body water 31.2 kilos, and then BMR 1,289 calories. I have no idea what BMR is. I don't have too much of an idea of what it even means because I'm not a doctor, but I'm guessing it's not the best. Anyway, let me see how it looks on my phone. Your rapid weight gain recently may be cause for concern. Excuse me? I don't think that's correct, app. I have not been putting on weight. In fact, it's the very first time, as you can see, of me actually taking this body composition test on my Galaxy Watch. I wonder if it's just like a programming oversight then, and it thinks that because there's been no previous records, that I just went from 0 to 48k instantly. I'm kind of surprised that it doesn't kind of tell you more about what any of this means. So hey, if you found this video helpful, then maybe subscribe to this channel for more videos like this on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and other cool tech stuff. And if you want to help the channel in other ways, we also have a Patreon down in the video description below. Even $1 a month goes a long way in helping this channel, and it allows you to make way better videos, longer videos on way more interesting topics. And also, I'd love to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKP, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lance B, and Comic Age Clothing. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down is also going to be our Amazon Associates links if you want to pick up the Galaxy Watch 4 yourself. Plus, then there's also our Discord server if you want to talk to me or others about this or whatever else really. Plus, then there's our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.